11 Amazing Health Benefits of Baobab Fruit. What is baobab? The baobab fruit comes from Africa's tree of life and is known as Africa's superfruit. The baobab fruit is known because it has the ability to dry out on the branch. Some would say that it has a likeness to coconut and has a hard brown outer shell. When the outer shell of the fruit is opened, there is no moisture inside. The inside of the baobab fruit consists of a dry white powder-like substance. It is the dry white powder-like substance that is extracted. Baobab nutritional value. Extremely rich in fiber. High levels of vitamin C. High levels of potassium. 6 to 7 times more antioxidants than other fruit. Magnesium. Calcium. Iron. 11 amazing health benefits of baobab fruit. Here is the list of the 11 amazing health benefits of baobab fruit. Great for heart health and aids in digestion as well. Boosts brain health. Prevents arthritis. Prevents cancer. Prevents dental problems. Prevents diabetes. Helps during pregnancy. Gives you glowing skin. Boosts immune system. Helps with weight loss. 1. Heart health. Baobab has a high level of potassium which plays an important part in maintaining normal blood pressure, which is essential in maintaining a healthy heart. It also helps in reducing bad cholesterol that will help in reducing the risk of developing serious heart conditions, and this is due to the high fiber content found in baobab. 2. Aids in digestion. Baobab is high in fiber and contains 2 types of fiber, which are soluble and insoluble, and this makes it brilliant in solving digestive problems. Taking this fruit in your daily diet will treat many digestive problems and will also balance the gut bacteria. 3. Boosts brain health. Stress is a common problem that is unfortunately faced by almost every individual. Stress levels need to be managed to prevent developing neurological problems. Now, baobab contains important vitamins and minerals that are important for maintaining a healthy neurological performance. Vitamins such as vitamin B that will help your brain to relax, and minerals that will help your muscles relax and maintain the performance of the nervous system. This will help in regulate sleep and reduce stress levels. Baobab contains antioxidants which will help in treating problems such as dementia, Parkinson's and Alzheimer's. 4. Prevents arthritis. Baobab fruit is very effective in the treatment of inflammation in the body, and arthritis is caused by inflammation in the joints. By including baobab fruit into your daily diet, you will be able to prevent and/or treat arthritis. 5. Prevents cancer. Baobab is also an antioxidant and anti-inflammatory that not only help with heart problems. It helps with many serious illnesses, which are caused by excessive inflammation in the body. Excessive inflammation can lead to illnesses such as cancer. To reduce the risk of these illnesses, you can use baobab fruit regularly, and this will maintain the inflammation in the body. 6. Prevents dental problems. Baobab contains a high level of calcium that will greatly benefit the health of teeth and bones. One thing that I found really interesting is the fact that it contains more calcium than milk. So by adding baobab to your diet will give an added bonus of having healthier teeth and avoiding tooth decays, along with avoiding the chances of developing osteoporosis. I think that this can be another game changer. 7. Prevents diabetes. Baobab fruit is great for preventing and treating diabetes due to the fact that it contains sugars that help to maintain a stable blood sugar levels in the body. It is also high in soluble fiber which will prevent the intestines from absorbing too much sugar. 8. Helps during pregnancy. During pregnancy it is important to take folic acid and iron in the body. Adding baobab to your diet during pregnancy will help you and baby in many ways. Baobab will help to strengthen your body whilst pregnant and help you fight off any infections that you may come across. Also, because of the high levels of vitamin C, it will help your body to absorb iron for effectively. Vitamin C is really important when it comes to the absorption of iron. 9. Gives you glowing skin. As mentioned a few times throughout this video is the fact that baobab contains high levels of vitamin C, antioxidants and is anti-inflammatory, so it goes without saying that when this is added to a daily healthy diet, the results will start to show in your skin and will give you a glow that will be very hard to match. It will help with wrinkles and even out your skin tone. It will also keep your skin hydrated and radiant. 10. Boosts immune system. The high content of vitamin C found in this amazing fruit will help in preventing infections and serious health problems. Also, the unique blend of essential mineral and vitamins in Baobab will strengthen the immune system and will do this very effectively. 11. Helps with weight loss. Baobab fruit will help in reducing the absorption of sugar in the body. This means that your body will be able to get rid of body fat more effectively, which will prevent obesity. The high content of fiber will help in feeling fuller for longer, so will reduce the urge to snack between meals. Because of the anti-inflammatory properties, it will also clear up any inflammation your body may be holding onto. This will reduce the abdominal fat and generally reduce inflammation in your body. This is an important role in the weight loss journey. Thank you for watching. Please spread the love, like and share.